This here is the 2025 Ram 1500 Laramie Night Edition. This is equipped with the Hurricane high output engine, making 540 horsepower and doing 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Gets 17 mpg combined and has a very aggressive front end design with very sporty looking wheels, a nice lift, all-terrain tires. It can go off-road. Inside it's equipped with leather seats, a very comfortable and nice interior with a 14-inch optional touchscreen. The 12 inches is standard, and then a passenger screen that is standard. It's an 8-inch passenger screen. And this here altogether costs $60,000.